AirHealth Cascade series whole house fans are equipped with a PSC motor, economical and reliable permanent split capacitor or PSC motor that is backed by a 12-year warranty. Airlock gravity damper, exclusive airlock gravity damper, a precise sealing system component designed for a secure, precise seal to isolate the attic from the living space when not operating the fan. Wall-mounted speed control, 2-speed wall mount control with an 8-hour timer to set the desired operation period. Optional Wi-Fi capability. Acoustic silencer duct. 7 feet of insulated flex duct designed for quieter sound operation. Decorative intake grill. White cube core design, easily removed for cleaning.